Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is second question of its exercise 5.4. So the question says that say true or false. Part A is the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. So it's true means correct. The measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90 degree. So it's wrong means use हमारा statement false because obtuse angle is greater than 90 and less than 180. The measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180 degree. The statement is correct, so statement is true. The measure of one complete revolution is equal to 360. This statement is also correct, so statement is true. If angle A is equal to 53 degree and angle B is equal to 35 degree, then angle A is greater than angle B. So angle A 53 है, B 35 है. So this is obviously greater. So statement is true means correct. So आ जाएगा आंसर हमारा एक ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू. थैंक यू.